Next, one more important thing is available in a OneNote is a tags. Tags are nothing but, for example, you have a meeting, three meetings you have. Okay, if you like to know that what are the once you have been done with a meeting, you would like to mark it. Okay, and some of the meetings are very important. For example, this has a pending order. Okay, he has a pending order, so you would like to make it as an important one. Okay, we selected him and we say here tag is there in a home tab. Okay, we have a tags here. Okay, in tags we have a important. Okay, it is not there here, you can search here. Okay, important, select important, so star will be added, so that we'll come to know that by looking at this one we can come to know that this is the important meeting. Okay, then client 1 and client 2 must has to be completed, so we'll say that these two to do. Okay, we'll add to do in the sense once we have been done we can select like this. Okay, we'll come to know that for this client we already done or not. If you select like this, okay, we'll come to know that if you select this particular client also, okay, like this to do, we have been completed or not. To check that one we can use the to do. Okay, question, if you have any question, for example, you written something here. Okay, something in a discussion you came to know that, okay, client one, you are discussing with a client one. Okay, something he is asked. Okay, okay, what is price? Okay, he has been asked about a, this is a question he has been asked. So to make it, we can say question. When you are in a meeting you can mark it as a question. So he has been asked this has a, this point as a question. We'll come to know that, okay, what are the questions has been asked by the client one. Okay, similarly, for example, remember for the later, in the sense something he has been said, you would like to remember it in a later point of time also. Okay, he may be said that cost need to be revised. Okay, he has been said this one, cost need to be revised. Okay, I would like to mark it as a important. We can say here not important here, remember to a later. Okay, like this we can check. In the sense we can, if you come to know that it is a highlighted is nothing but a remember to be later, here you can by looking at the tag you will come to know that. Okay, something contact number he has been shared. Okay, some contact number he has been shared. Okay, this number you may be confusing like what it is exactly, you can tag it as a contact. Okay, you will come to know that, okay, this is a contact number he has been shared, this is not a invoice number or anything. You will come to identify, you will be able to identify what number it is. Okay, similarly, you will be having a address or a phone numbers. Okay, if it is a phone number you can change it to phone number. If it is a contact like a detailed contact, if you have, you can use a contact. Address only he has been given, you can make it as an address. And some idea they have been shared, you can make it as an idea. Like this you can say idea, what idea they have been shared. Okay, like this you can write down the idea. Similarly, some website to be visited, in the sense you have been created a website to be visited. For example, they may be said that for get an idea, you can get an idea by visiting this particular website. So website link they have been shared. Okay, like this you can make a note. Okay, you can use a tag, many tags are there. Okay, if something is a critical, okay, critical to start, or project A and project B, two projects are there. Okay, then book to read, some books has been to be read or listen, or blog to be shared. Okay, like this we can add any type of the tags. Okay, if you like to remove the tags, okay, from this particular sentence, you can go back to here, you can say remove tag. Okay, so that that tag will be removed from that particular sentence. Okay, like this we can insert a tag, insert a tag or remove the tag, and you can also find the tags also here. Okay, by using here you can find the tags. Okay, you can use the tag name. Okay, which section, which title. Okay, or tags will be summarized here, what are the tags you have, so that it will be very easy to understand, very easy to understand the entire your document, what discussion you have been done with the client. One, what question he has been asked, what to be seen later, what contact details he has been shared, what type of idea he has been shared, which website he has been referred us to uh, check. Okay, like this we can use these tags which will help you to remember what you have been discussed with your clients, or if you are a student, what are the things you like to do it after the class. Okay, to do that one we will be inserting a tags.